Hello everyone, welcome to Geeky Eyes. Today we are going to talk about the Great Conjunction. Today Jupiter and Saturn are coming close to each other and they are very closer than ever before. It was happened in 16th century and again happening in this year. So some of us may not see the next Great Conjunction. The next Great Conjunction is going to happen in the year of 2080. So I will show how to find these two objects on the sky and how to navigate. You no need to use any telescopes or anything to watch them. You can directly see them with your eyes. So they are so bright that you can easily identify them. So I am using the Skyview Lite. This app is a free app. You can find it in Android as well as iPhone. Not only iPhone, you can also download in the iPad, all the iOS devices and Android OS devices. So this app specialty is this works on augmented reality. On the screen you can see all the planets and sun, and also you can find this Jupiter and Saturn, both are very close to each other, and you can see their orbit when they will go down to the horizon, and everything you can find in this app. This is very easy to use. You need to give your location accessibility, or you can manually enter your location and time so that it will show you location of the object you want to search. Either you can manually search using the search option, or you can just navigate around the sky and find the objects, because all the planets and sun, moon are brighter. All the solar system objects are brighter and bigger, so that you can easily find them. Coming to the stars, they are a little brighter, still you can easily identify stars as well. This app is very useful. So right now we are around, now the time is around 4 o'clock. Now this Jupiter and Saturn are almost on the top. Let's see how long they are visible. Just you need to select the object you want to find its orbit. So this orbit is the dotted line you are seeing on the screen. So just move down slowly, and you can see them till 850 around. You cannot see exactly on the horizon, only you can see them above the horizon in sea level. If you are living in normal places, you cannot see them below 10 degrees. So if you just lift up, you can see 10 degrees on the screen. So up to this height you can see them. After this height you cannot find them, because of all the trees and buildings cover them. So you cannot find below 10 degrees. Maximum you can find about 10 degrees only. So above 10 degrees the time is 20, means 8 o'clock. Till 8 o'clock you can see them, 8:20. So this is the Singapore location. I am in Singapore. So don't miss them. Try to watch and find them. Most likely I cannot find them because it's fully clouded. So Singapore is it's a tropical rainforest region, so mostly it's clouded and almost it will rain every day, so you cannot find. If the clouds get cleared, I'll try to find these two objects, otherwise I may not see them. I can only see in this augmented reality app. See, they are very close to each other in this magnitude. I cannot distinguish them. Just I need to tap twice to find these two objects. So this is the sun. So this object is sun. Mercury is beside the sun. So I think this app is working accurately. So that's it guys, don't miss this event. Try to watch and try to take some pictures, because this will happen again in 2080. In 2040 also it will happen, but it's not the great conjunction. They will come closer, but not as close as today. Today is 21st December. So don't worry, if you miss today, you can still see them tomorrow, close to each other, but not as close as today. So this whole month they are very close to each other, but today is very close. That's it guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share with your friends, and also subscribe to Geek Eyes for more upcoming interesting videos. Bye for now.